typhoon came, my family were nervous. Then we transfer in my house, my cousin's house. Then my cousin's house where we collapse. Then another we transfer another house. Then we collapse. Then we transfer again another house. Then my daughters were very nervous and she's crying. And also, yeah, also me will nervous also. Then I'm crying also. Then my husband will scared of my daughter. Kanang say kanang tugusin ba? He carried my daughter. Then she ran to other house.
Okay. So how long was how long did the storm stay here? How long did the
Unsa
storm?
kadigayan na ang bagyo.
Ang bagyo. 9 a.m. up to 3 p.m. Mga
Pagkasunod after 3
pagikan. Di man, wala naman.
I mean 6 hours straight. I mean with a very high intensity.
High intensity, mga 12 hours. Then up to 3 p.m. Ang pinakakusog signal number 5 na guro.
what time nga ni kusog ang kuan ma?
The strongest.
Signal
Unsa oras
12 up to 3 p.m. Ang pinakakusog na yun.
The highest already started at 12 noon until 3 p.m.
So 3 hours.
3 hours.
Okay. Okay. And then, so what time did you come back here? I mean, to your house?
Midnight.
Midnight on
Yeah.
November 8th.
Oh. November 8.
So by that time, I mean, until that time, you were not here. I mean, you've
were-
been evacuated to another place.
When tomorrow tapos na ang bagyo. When the typhoon already gone. We'll come back here.
The next day.
Oh, next day then I will.
In the morning.
In the morning she fixed all the damage. Then we starting the other house.
Okay.
Build another house.